Well, my experience is obviously amazing, and मुझे ऐप बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि it's something different. It's not just the regular games that we play, and the trivia questions they're fun, and you can actually play it with a group of people. क्योंकि हम सब घर पे बैठ रहे हैं ना, so it would be nice. You're sitting with your family, everybody's playing a game where you can guess the trivia and see who wins, which is very cool.
और अभी आपने गेम प्ले भी किया, मैंने देखा ढेरों सारे क्वेश्चंस के आपने आंसर भी दिया, तो कैसा रहा आपके लिए एक्सपीरियंस?
Well, वो questions मेरे बारे में थे, so थोड़ा सा easy थे. But I think when I play the game and it's about everybody else, I think it will be a lot of fun. I would want my friends to play ताकि मुझे पता है वो कहाँ से place किया, and if I beat them or not.
सर आप
हाँ मैम, यंग जनरेशन के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
First of all, आप young generation आप mask पहनो. मेरे साथ बात मत करो if you're not going to wear a mask. हाँ, फिर से पूछो.
यंग जनरेशन के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे ऐप को लेकर?
Young generation किसके बारे में? Just okay. About Zoopy. I think that young generation के लिए, I mean, हम सब घर में बैठे हैं अभी. We can't really do much. I think that it's great pastime to be able to play a game where you're actually learning something, or knowing that you know the answer. So I think it's a lot of fun when you find an app जहाँ आप बार-बार play कर सकते हैं, and you can go into different languages, which is very cool too.
युवाजी, tell us, Sunny ji is here and how is your experience with?
It's a great experience, It's a dream come true for, people like us, a small country, small state. We're coming here and, launching like this. It's something really big for us. And we'll deliver it. And whatever we are promising, we definitely deliver it. Yeah, it's definitely. It's a common man game and small money, and they make a lot of money out of this. So I'm very much interested in this. Interesting game. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, ji.
Thanks, guys. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Be
One
safe.
wish, Merry Christmas and
Sure. Ready? To all the viewers out there, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Please be safe and spread love. We're in a time where we need to spread more love than hate.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sunny, to you, the Hindi film industry, Bollywood, India is all about Hindi film industry, Bollywood. Do you think it's another form of employment when we talk about the current scenario in COVID in India, or I would say rather across the globe?
Did you say, is it a tough employment? Is that what your question was?
My question is, do you think it's another form of employment where you're spending 10 rupees and you're getting something out of it?
Huh? क्यों नहीं? I mean, you can. I would suggest everybody play responsibly, but it's great pastime. You can sit, you can learn, you can do all these things. But I have a question. I want to know how long, कितना time लगा ये data जो app में डाला है, कितना time लगा?
15 seconds.
No. How much time did it take your tech team to put all this information in? Because Bollywood का data ये जो है, I mean, it goes so many years.
Sunny, आपको किसमें महारत है? I mean, what is your more experience about, if I talk about the knowledge of Hindi film industry or the Tollywood, given a choice कि आप खेलें अगर सूपी पे, तो कौन सी लैंग्वेज में खेलना चाहेंगे और किस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बात करना चाहेंगी?
Well, it would be Hindi, and in the app, it's in the Hindi language, so मैं वो पढ़ नहीं सकती हूँ, so it would be in English. For
So
sure.
we'll play one game with her.
Yeah.
Yeah, will
Of
only
course.
for her movies. Let me see her knowledge about her movies.
We have set up a special game for her. We'll be
कुछ
doing
ऐसे
that.
movies है मैं भूलना चाहती हूँ.
We'll be making her play the game after the session.
Sunny, here. Are there any friends in Bollywood with whom you would like to play this game, like on the app with? ऐसे कोई Bollywood में आपके friends हैं जिनके साथ?
नहीं, क्योंकि मैं हार जाऊंगी, so मुझे that person उसके साथ खेलना है जो शायद मेरे से कम जानते हैं. So I would win. I wouldn't want to lose. That would just not be part of playing.
Any more questions? All good? Okay, then we'll, जैसे कि आपने बोला था, and we also have a gaming platform for Miss Sunny Leone. So can we have ask her to play? Yes.
I had an idea for you guys. You guys should set up a tournament, like a full-on gaming tournament, and they all just get out of the chat and they lose, and the winner, gets something.
So this is the bidding section. So you can select amount that is from 700 to 7,000. Okay, that is the price. Yeah.
This is rupees. You can select, you can type here also. What
For
number?
this phone, for F11. So you can select a value and just submit the price. That is it. Okay. If this is the unique, lowest unique value, you win that phone. That's it. That's how simple it is. And we have also set up number of questions for you.
Oh boy.
This is your movie.
Yagini MMS what kind of film?
Hello?
So now you'll get the highest score within the 3 attempts. It is still there.
So I think you all can see that this is such an interesting app, gaming app, and everyone is excited. I am excited, and I think people will be excited for it. So can we have a big round of applause for Soupy Infinite Fun, and we wish them all the best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all of you for taking out your precious time. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Yeah. Sajna ma'am, can we have you here for the group picture? And yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for those beautiful mementos. And now the stage is all yours. Thank you. Any questions? Yeah, can we have the microphone, please? And one microphone here.
Can we? What to say about the app, Soupy app? It's all about Hollywood, Bollywood, where there's a quiz happening.
हाँ
on the app.
मुझे
This
बहुत
is-
अच्छा लगा क्योंकि now I can go on and कुछ सीख भी सकती हूँ. I can learn about Bollywood trivia. When you live in a country जहाँ सब लोग Bollywood के लिए, actors के लिए, entertainment के लिए पागल हो जाते हैं, wherever they are, I think that it's a very unique and creative way of kind of harnessing what the passions of the country is. So I think it's awesome. I can't wait to play because now I'll learn. And I'm going to be guessing. This is the best. You bid 50 rupees and you guess what you want to, you guess the amount of money, and you win an iPhone. That's a, and सबको पता है जब आप कुछ win करते हैं कितना अच्छा लगता है. That whatever you win is extra special. So I think it's great. I'm surprised she's not opened. These two have not opened the boxes yet. पूरा दिन खेल सकते हैं. Where you're betting 10 rupees or very, very little amounts of money. I like that. We all like when we can go to the casino and you put the penny in the slot machine and you sit there all day long, and I think it's great. And obviously I would learn something as well. I'm changing my profession. You get this much money for playing with such a little amount of money.
You, as you said, you started your journey here from Mumbai, and you used to do modeling here in Mumbai. And tell us how you got this idea of making an app, and that to talk about Bollywood, Tollywood, Hollywood, numerous thing where somebody can make a money.
See, I told you I'm very passionate about movies. I'll watch a lot of movies. I'm into movies. Actually, supposed to do a good movie before the corona. It's happened. Full workout and everything all done. Then corona happened, everything is gone. Then I was sitting, I'm now working on other things. I have other business also. Then Mr. Miffin, I know him very well. So he told me we have developed one app like that. It's a movie-related thing. Then I told him, get me the numbers first. Then he's given the numbers, all these things, how they, how they work and everything. Then I told, I need 2 days time. I studied very well. Everything is, this was before as a different name. I changed, all things changed like a different thing now. Now I made a setup, the corporate level, and a lot of things we changed. So quite interesting, and movie is something, if you like something, you want to do it, and I love to do this kind of things. It's a challenging job.